Yep. We rolling in there?
Yeah, we're ready. You guys ready?
Yep.
All right. Please welcome to WFMU from Raleigh, North Carolina, Chatham County Line.
Met on the Carolinian heading south from D.C. Says he's got himself had picked out of seats. She smiled and said Richmond when I asked where she was bound. Began to wish my life I would have been born in that town. Talked a little bit and then she smiled. I saw down in her eyes. She wasn't just beautiful, she was kind and she was wise. But a woman down in Raleigh would soon have my son. So I waited for a station like a bullet from a gun. She's in Richmond with my heart, and I'm bound for Carolina. Wish I'd never met this train, or the girl that sat behind her. When the train reached the station, she looked me in the eye, said, "Come with me to Richmond and we'll start a brand new life." But you know that moment still weighs on my mind. So I took my body to Raleigh and left that heart behind. She's in Richmond with my heart, and I'm bound for Carolina. Wish I never met this train, or the girl that sat behind her. Now we're apart, so while I'm bound for Carolina, she's in Richmond with my heart. My son is grown up to my hand and it fills me with pride. I take him down to the station to watch the trains roll by. That northbound Carolinian always makes the teardrops start. He's headed up to Virginia where I left my heart. She's in Richmond with my heart, and I'm bound for Carolina. Wish I never met this train,